Before installing your North Star window, check the rough opening to ensure that the window unit will fit. The rough opening should be 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch larger than the window, both horizontally and vertically. Place shims at the bottom of your rough opening. Center the frame in the opening so there is equal space between the jambs of the frame and the jambs of the rough opening. Tack your unit in place through the nail flange if applicable, using number 8 by 2 1/2 inch screws. Exercise caution if the window is supplied without a nail flange. Use shims to temporarily hold the windows in place. Unlock the window and slide the sash to the center. Locate the snap-in jamb covers and remove them by inserting a sharp chisel and carefully pry them out. Place shims roughly 5 inches in from each corner and at approximately 16-inch intervals around the sill and side jambs. Do not shim at the head. Confirm your frame is level, plumb, and square, and adjust shims if necessary, ensuring the shims at the sill are firm. Close and lock the sash and visually inspect the opening. Remove the sash. Remove the pocket covers from the head and sill interior track. At the very center of the interior head and sill track, fasten the unit through the frame by using your number 8 by 2 1/2 inch screw, being careful not to place screws in the path of the pivot shoe, as this would hinder the operation of the window. It is crucial when anchoring the unit through the sill that you seal each screw head with a quality silicone sealant. Snap the pocket covers back into the head and sill frame. Using a number 8 by 2 1/2 inch screw, install screws through the pockets of the frame where jamb covers were removed at each shim location, being careful not to bow the frame. Your screw must be a sufficient length to securely anchor the unit into the opening. Snap the jamb covers back into the side jamb frame members. Repeat this process for both the left and right locations. Place the sash you had removed earlier back into position. Close the unit and lock. Insulate between the window frame and the rough opening, ensuring all voids are filled. Caution must be exercised while foaming as not to overpack the insulation, causing the unit frame to distort. Once the insulation is dried, trim any excess materials from your opening and cut down your shims. Seal the perimeter of your unit using a quality silicone sealant.